What if you could run a TikTok account without constantly filming videos yourself? In this tutorial, I'll show you how TikTok automation works in 2026, how creators streamline their workflows, and the tools you can use to create content more efficiently. Now, the first thing is, what is TikTok automation? This is our first module. TikTok automation doesn't mean using fake engagements, spams, or bots. Instead, it refers to automating repetitive tasks like content planning, editing, scheduling, and repurposing content. So, your focus is mostly on content research, script creation, video editing, scheduling, and analytics. The goal is to spend less time on manual work and more time creating valuable content. Now, moving over to our next module, choosing a content niche. So, before you automate anything, you have to understand what niche you're working with. So, there are a lot of niches when you head into TikTok. We have niches that are full of AI tools, tech tutorials, personal finance, hygiene, productivity, health, motivation, business tips, and just brain rot and a lot of stuff. A focused niche helps TikTok understand who to show your content to, basically. So when you have a niche, you have an audience, and with an audience, you can create value. And by creating value, you earn an income. And once you begin earning an income, you can begin automating these processes. All right, so how do you go about automating your content research? This is part of module 3. Research takes a lot of time, especially when your topics have to do with tech or AI tools or productivity or basically any faucet that involves you going out of your way to research, find data, and simply use that data into your video. That takes a lot of time and it takes a toll. But you can shorten this by the use of platforms like Claude. So when you use platforms like Claude, so these AI tools can actually help you generate weeks worth of content in minutes. Basically, they can help you with your ideas, they can help you with the research, they can help you with foolproofing, and also help you with any historical backdating you need to do. Basically, it reduces the time consuming part of content creation. All right, so how do you go about generating scripts with AI? Basically, once you have a content idea, generating scripts becomes easy. All you need to do is just simply prompt these AIs. You can tell it to write a 45-second TikTok script explaining the best AI tools for students. So just go ahead and type that out. And once you've typed it out, this can dramatically speed up your content creation process. So all you need to do is just hit enter and you can begin watching the AI do its work in the background. Claude is really good when it comes to scripts. It's really good when it comes to different things. So you could just simply apply this into your videos. You could make use of um, Claude. If you've been using other AIs, you could just simply switch over to Claude and have Claude create your content for you. So if you don't want to record with your own voice, here's another thing you could try. It is creating voiceovers. So you can create voiceovers using platforms like 11 Labs or any other platforms like Agentic and the rest. So with 11labs.io, just click on the link here. It's going to open. And if you don't want to record your own voice, you can use these AI voice generators. Always review the output and make sure it is natural sounding before you actually set to publish these. And the next module we're going to be looking at is how you can edit your videos faster. Now, editing is another area where automation saves time. So you could use platforms like CapCut and Canva as they have templates. They also include auto captions and they have reusable layouts. And they also have AI tools that can significantly reduce your editing time. They have noise cancellation, noise suppression, vocal isolation, and so many other tools. You can actually find these on CapCut. Now, you can use CapCut PC or CapCut Mobile to achieve these goals. All right, so the next module we're going to be looking at is how to schedule your content. Basically, consistency matters more than posting randomly. So you have to create content in batches, schedule your uploads, and maintain a content calendar. So you can set up a content calendar for yourself where every day you set up little goals that you need to reach in order to stay consistent when it comes to your channel. This helps you stay active even when you're busy. All right, and next module we're looking at is analyzing your performance. Automation isn't just about publishing, it's also about learning what works. So you're going to have to track your views, your watch times, your shares, your comments, your follower growth, and use analytics to identify your best performing content and build on that. Now, the next module is how you can scale your workflow. So, once you find a successful format, just scale it. You could use research ideas for your workflow, generating scripts, creating videos, scheduling your post, analyzing your results, rinse and repeat. The creators who grow fastest often have systems, not just motivation. You need to stay consistent. Now, there are some things you need to avoid during your automations. Be careful with tools that promise automated likes, followers, comments, or engagements. They are hives or nests for fake followers, engagement bots, and spam automations. This can violate platform rules and hurt your account in the long run. All right, and that's your step by step guide to TikTok automation in 2026. Focus on automating your workflow, not your audience, and you'll be able to create more content in less time. All right, guys, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.